Can I ask, when it comes to volunteering at the festival, are gay members of the church welcome? Are they and their partners welcome to join and volunteer together?
I've absolutely no idea that anyone would be asked their sexual orientation in becoming a volunteer. But I imagine that all of those who attend the World Meeting of the Families as visitors, as participants, the difference here is that we don't necessarily reveal our particular sexuality, when we're coming along to any event. And I imagine it's the same for the World Meeting of the Families.
Are they welcome?
Of course. At the World Meeting of the Families, this is a gathering of people to whom everyone is welcome. I know the families who are going there would be the last to say that they're perfect in any way. And that they're, even in terms of living up to the teaching of the church, we all struggle in that. As a bishop, I struggle in that. I'm welcome, I hope, at the World Meeting of the Families, but so is everyone where they are at in their particular journey of faith. And I would hope, it's also a Catholic event. The World Meeting of the Families is an event of the Catholic Church. So I don't think we make any apologies for the fact that the Catholic Church has a very clear teaching on marriage and on the family. And Amoris Laetitia is the seminal document which will guide the reflections at the World Meeting of Families. So I imagine that people going there will know what they're going to, and hopefully will respect what they're going to, but still bring their experience, bring their struggles, their questions, their challenges, and of course the happiness and joy and fulfillment of their family life to those discussions.
Last question, Sarah.